Question 9, we're looking at the transport in plants. So this first part shows a cross-section through the root of a plant. It's labelled up, it's showing us what we need to know from there. The bit in the middle, a bit like an X, is the xylem, and the bits around the outside of the phloem there. First question, just some recall of knowledge. Two substances that transport in the xylem. The main thing that the xylem transports is water. Okay, it moves the water from the roots up to the leaves, one-way direction. Dissolved in that water is not the sugars, not the sucrose, but in fact what it dissolves in there is the things which are absorbed in the roots, along with water, which is the mineral ions. Okay, they are absorbed along with water in the roots. They get transported up from the roots to where they're needed in the plant. Next part here, draw and label a root hair cell in the following space for 5 marks. Really nice 5 marks to achieve here. So let's have a quick go at labelling what we need. Well, we got 1 mark for giving the overall shape of a root hair cell. Okay, the shape with this projection coming out here. You then got a mark or 2 for what you put inside that root hair cell. So not just a mark, I should say. You've got all the remaining marks for what you put inside that root hair cell. So I'm going to annotate in a few things here. Just drawing it though would only get you 1 mark, because obviously it did say label. So if you drew something like this but didn't label it, more for you. So what marks do we get? So we got 1 mark for just that general shape. Well, we label this and make sure you're really careful where your arrows are going. So there we have a cell wall. Here, on that line, on the inside line, would be our cell membrane. We have cytoplasm. Got here the nucleus. And we have a large vacuole. Those are all things you'd find inside your root hair cell there. I've got a mark for each of these. So obviously there's actually 6 marks available for this question for the 5 marks. A nice 5 mark question there for a pretty easy drawing.